Hope everybody would be safe staying at home. Myself, Bharati, I'm working as Chief Officer, Industrial Engineering in VGuard Industries Limited. It's a great pleasure for me to attend the online Lean Manufacturing Excellence program conducted by IDOS. It's a great session. I would like to appreciate the efforts taken by the trainers from IDOS. As far as training material is concerned, it was found to be very informative, and the way they conducted the training was very elaborative. Hope every participants are clear with the training what they have undergone. This training, I find it's not only useful for the beginners but also the people who are experienced, because they can refresh the knowledge what they have gained through these years. Hope these kind of trainings should be continued by them in the future also. I also believe I would like to take my team from my industry for these kind of trainings in the near future. I would like to congratulate the efforts taken by the team from IDOS for this wonderful session. Best of luck for them in the near future also. Thank you.